Hi, it's Leslie in Tennessee, and today we're going to talk about how to plant your seeds in the square foot gardening method. So I have here a tray. I just put some sugar in there, and we're going to pretend this is a square foot. If you're supposed to put one seed in the square foot, you just go right in the middle, and that will be good. If you're supposed to put 4 seeds in the square, you just take your finger down, you take your finger across your square foot. This is assuming you have the grid in place in your square foot garden. And then you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how you would plant 4 in a square. If it says to plant 9 in a square, you're going to put your fingers like the victory sign and come down the middle and come across like this. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places to plant your seeds in the square. If it says to plant 16 in the square, and there are some plants that you do 16, you'll come down and across like you did for 4, but then you're going to divide those 4 into 4. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 places to put your seeds. Now, if it says to plant your seeds 1 inch deep, let's just take a look at this ruler here. If I put my finger up against the ruler, 1 inch is just about to this first knuckle right here. 1/2 inch is about to the bottom of my fingernail. 1/4 inch would be a halfway of my fingernail. So most of your seed packages are going to tell you 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch deep, and 2 inches deep is about to a little further than the second knuckle, although I've never seen anything say do 2 inches deep. Other quick measurements for the garden would include your hand like this is generally about 4 inches, and with your fingers spread, you usually have about 6 inches. So you'd have to experiment with your own hand, but these are quick guidelines that you can use in your planting of your garden. Thanks for watching, and remember, you were created to live in the garden.